Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Boyd and I'm going to be showing you my project today. So first I'm going to show you the project before I go into the codes. So I'm going to come to Firefox and I'm going to start the page. So as you can see, I decided to do Minecraft. My husband and my son love playing Minecraft, so I thought I could get ideas from them. So right now we're in the default page. And this is just a little welcome to the page and what made me create it. If you scroll down here, I put unique pictures of Minecraft that people play in creative mode. So you can kind of see what, some people really get into. Some people go really all out. So that's kind of showing that. At the very bottom here, I put the kinds of consoles that you can use in order to play Minecraft, so any of these will work if you decide you want to play. I actually did this background here, so that way you can kind of see the whole concept of Minecraft is the pixels. And then I created this banner here, and I just added the fan page words on it. So now we're going to come, so we're on the home page, which is the default. We're going to come to the login page just to kind of see it. So first we're going to log in. We're going to use admin and then the password's just going to be 12345. Gonna log in. We can save that. So now it says welcome admin up here on this nav bar. So now that we're logged in, we can check out the peaceful mobs. And then these are just a list of some of the peaceful mobs that you will see when you play Minecraft. So of course we have the bat, chicken, pig, squid, sheep, villager, and mushroom. So, and then what I did is I actually found as much as I could as far as gifts, so that way they can move. And then underneath what they are, I actually put a little description about them. The next one is monster mobs. And then here we have creeper, enderman, ghast, zombie pigman, blaze, guardian, and skeleton. Those are some. Of course, there's many, many more. So this is just kind of an idea of most of them. And the same thing that we did with the peaceful mobs. So I found as many gifts as I can of each of them, so that way they can move and look kind of pretty. And then I put a description about each of them, what they are, kind of what they do. So that would be all the monster mobs. Here we have our weapons page, and I ended up doing this like a database. So you're going to have different types of weapons that you can use in Minecraft. There's different types as far as the axe, they'll have the wooden axe and stone axe. There's different types. So I actually put the weapon name here, photo of the weapon name, the power of the weapon speed, and the durability of the weapon. It ranges, so of course if you wanted to come and edit and make some changes, you can. Then we have the diamond sword. Okay. We have the bow, splash potion, the trident, the arrow, the firework rocket, and the crossbow. So all of these are listed here. You can view each one. So for the axe, we're going to view, and we're able to see the name again, the text of what it is and what it can do, the power, the speed, and the durability. Same thing with the diamond sword, the bow, whenever they have 0, it's just because they really don't do much as far as when it's just a potion. You have to actually do something or it has to be mixed in order for it to work like that. So I just ended up putting 0. The trident. We have the arrow. Just kind of want to show that they all work correctly. The firework. And the crossbow. Okay. So those are going to be your views. Then we can go to edit. And here we have the edit box. I'm going to go ahead and show you that it does work. So we'll put axe. And we'll just put works just so we can see that it's updated. And there you go. So we can come back here and put it back to what it was. Okay. Same thing here. Okay, so we know that works. The delete, I'm not going to really click it because I don't want to delete anything. So there's the delete function and then the insert. So if I want to insert, it's telling me to log in. Oh. Okay, the insert's not working. Whoops. Okay, so that's going to be the database for the weapons. Now we're going to go to, I did an about me, and this just is a little bit about me and where you can find me on Facebook. And then at the end here, I made a little survey. So here people can put their name, their location. And then I said, what do you like about Minecraft? And I just, let's just put everything. And then it says, what is your weapon of choice? So here is a drop down and you can kind of pick what you want to put. Let's just put trident and we can submit that. And that takes us to the confirmation page right here. And that's just going to say thank you for your entry. So that's the survey page. You saw the about me, the logout says thank you for visiting, have a great day, come back soon for new updates. And then I put this button here so that way people can redirect them to log in again, just in case they accidentally logged in. I didn't want the logout button to be something where if they logged out it was automatically just going to send them back to the login. So I wanted to kind of give them, like, if they really wanted to leave, just to kind of thank you for visiting. But if they want to come back, they can just click on the login again and it's going to send them back to the login page. Okay, so, oh, also I wanted to show on the survey, if the name, let's say they didn't enter the name, they didn't enter anything, and you actually put submit, it'll give you the errors down here. Please enter your name, enter your location. If you put your name, you didn't put the location, and you didn't put that, then it'll update. Please enter location. Please enter your opinion. Let's say we just put mission, and we didn't put anything about what we liked about it, so it'll say please enter your opinion. Okay, and now everything works. Okay, so the survey is pretty much good. So now we're going to go back to the home. And if you notice, I put some background music. Raise it up. Playing in the background. I actually posted a YouTube video that I found on YouTube that played the music. So what I did is I actually put the YouTube video, I believe, here. And then I just had it run automatically. And then I just put it on in hidden. And I'll show you that in the codes. Create a page. So let me show you a username. Let's just put Ash. Password, we'll do 12345. Gender, whoops, I gotta change Okay, age, we're going to put 32. City, put mission. Occupation, student. Okay, so we can put create account. And there you go. We just created Ash. So now let's check if that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so you see now we created an account. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look over the codes so we know everything looks pretty good. Okay. First, we're going to start with the master page. And here we have our navigation. We have our banner. Okay, let me split that just so we can see. Of course, it looks all messy on here, but we know what it looks like already. And then here on the master page, we have that set. You know, this right here is just going to be the welcome message. So every time somebody logs in, somebody new, they create an account, it'll give them their username. That way it kind of welcomes them. Okay, and if they click on the button to log out, it'll just redirect them to the logged out page, which is going to be this one here that I created just specifically for the logout. That way it looks like that, where it says have a great thank you for visiting, have a great day. And that would be the, and all I did here was just create a label, and then I just fixed the font size. So then I have, let's look over the login page. And on the login page, we have, okay, so we have the database, the user data source, and we use that to be able to gather the username from the list. And this is kind of what created the table. And then, of course, the data source is here. So that'll be the login. And then on here where they click on login, it gives them the information of what we need, what we want them to say, or where we want them to redirect them. Okay, so let's look at the monster mobs. Here is what we had on the mobs right here. Looks funny, but we know what it looks like. Source. So that looks good. Okay, there's nothing there. Same thing with peaceful mobs, is going to look exactly the same. Okay. And then we have our survey. This is going to be the survey that I created. Design mode. We did a weapon data source, so that way we can be able to pull the drop down box here, and that way this user can be able to pick their weapon. And then here we have the validations for, you know, if it's not working, the errors and stuff like that. So that's how I created that. And then, of course, it's going to take them to the confirmation page. I created another page specifically for the confirmation, so that way they're greeted for thanking them for visiting the site right here. Thank you for your entry. The global, of course, I added the can't really say it, jQuery on here because of the survey. Okay, because of the survey. The default, here we have the styles, the main profile. This is going to be the you know, what I said about it, and all the images and everything's on here. My web config. My view card. This is going to be where you come and view the card. And here's a weapon data source. Anyways, well, I'm going to let y'all go ahead and view my site. I'm going to post it on here on YouTube, and then you guys will be able to look it over. If you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you enjoyed my site. Thank you again for